We all spend our lives working for money, investing money, and worrying about money. But we begin this financial journey today with a story, a dilemma that will force you to confront how rational you truly are when it comes to your finances. Suppose you are presented with two choices. Option A, you are handed $5,000 in cash right now, absolutely free with 100% certainty, no strings attached. Option B, a coin is tossed. If it lands on heads, you win $15,000. But if it lands on tails, you get absolutely nothing. You walk away empty-handed. Here is my first question. What is the right thing to do? What would you do? Let's take a quick poll. How many of you would choose the guaranteed, safe option A? Raise your hands or drop it in the comments. The vast majority of people choose option A. And how many would take the risk on option B, aiming for the $15,000? Only a handful of you. When this experiment is conducted with thousands of people, over 80% consistently choose the safe money. What is the reason behind this? Let's hear from someone in the majority. Why choose the $5,000? It's simple. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Why gamble when you have guaranteed money staring you in the face? If it lands on tails, you walk away with nothing and regret it. Anchor. Secure what is guaranteed. Don't be greedy. That is a perfectly intuitive human response. But now, let's alter the scenario. Let's look at a second case. Suppose you find yourself in serious financial trouble and you owe a debt of $15,000. Once again, you are given two options to deal with it. Option A, you are given a guaranteed debt forgiveness of $5,000. This means your total debt drops immediately to $10,000. It is a safe, guaranteed reduction. Option B, a coin is tossed. If it lands on heads, your entire $15,000 debt is completely wiped out. You owe nothing. But if it lands on tails, not a single dollar is forgiven, and you must still pay the full $15,000. Now, let's take a poll. How many would take the safe option A this time? And how many would choose the coin toss in option B? Suddenly, the numbers flip. The vast majority of people who were terrified of the coin toss in the first case are now suddenly willing to gamble on option B. They think, let's take the shot. Maybe I can escape the debt entirely. But think about the underlying logic. When it came to gaining wealth, you played it completely safe. But when it came to losing wealth, you suddenly became a desperate risk taker. Why the sudden shift? This reveals a fundamental principle of behavioral economics, pioneered by the Nobel Prize-winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman. It is called loss aversion. The principle states that the pain of losing $1,000 is psychologically twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining $1,000. As human beings, we are not driven by the desire to maximize our gains. We are driven by a desperate emotional fear of avoiding losses. And this exact psychological trip trips people up in the financial world every single day, leading to two massive mistakes. Selling wins too early. When a stock or an investment goes up slightly, people panic and sell it immediately to secure a small, safe profit, missing out on massive long-term growth. Holding losses too long. When an investment crashes, people refuse to sell it at a loss. They gamble and hold on to it for years, hoping against hope that it will at least break even, only to watch it sink further. In this series, we are going to look at the intersection of psychology, markets, and your everyday choices. We will investigate the illusion of inflation, the mathematics of compounding interest, and the subtle ways modern marketing exploits your internal biases to drain your wallet. This course will challenge your assumptions and change the way you look at every dollar you spend. If you are ready to awaken the rational investor within you, stay tuned for the next session. Thank you very much.